Hey guys, I have missed you so much. I can't wait till the butterflies hopefully will bring spring and warm weather, and hopefully that will find us back at school all together in our classroom having a great time like we always do. I'd like to talk to you a little bit today about tech. I can see some of you have been working on them at home. Squiggle Park and your Hour of Code and your Tynker Lessons, fabulous. A couple of you have finished with the Tynker Lessons, and I'm hoping that you're continuing to work on Hour of Code and Squiggle Park. But for those of you who aren't finished yet, keep plugging away. You're doing a great job. Thumbs up. Okay, friends, back at Tynker again. This one's going to be on tackling those tricky staircases. This is part of lesson 9. Here we go. Now, if you'll remember in staircases, there ends up being quite a bit of repetition. So once you get the hang of what the pattern is, you should be able to continue it throughout the rest of the puzzle. So let's see if we can get the knack of how to do this. So we've got a car that's got to move over and down to get to this first bubble. Now again, we're going to be counting every 2 squares equals 100. So let's see how far forward the car has to go. So 100, 200, and then we'll be ready to turn. So we're going to go forward 200, then we have to change direction. And if you look, we're going to be turning right. And if we're counting down 2 squares, then we have to go down 100. So let's go look at the blocks. Ah, they've given us a repeat this time. So we know we need to go ahead and put that one in. This is going to make things a whole lot easier. Now we need to find our forward block. We're going to go forward 200. Let's look back at the picture. So we're going to go forward 200. When we get to the end, okay guys, what do we need to do? Turn right. Okay, so let's go back. We're going to turn right. Now make sure you don't put this on the outside of the repeat. We don't want it out here. Got to go inside. So we're going to go forward 200, then we're going to turn right. And let's look again. Once we turn, then we have to go forward 100. So let's go back and look. So here we go. Forward. And what do we have to do with this? We have to change it to 100. Okay, so let's see where we are now. So we went forward 200, then we turned right. We went forward 100. Now remember with stair steps, we have to change direction. If you keep turning right every time, you're going to go around and come back where you started from. We don't want to do that in stair steps. So this time we need to turn left. So let's go back. So we went forward, we turned right, we went forward, and now we're going to turn left. Now, let's see what our pattern was. Go forward, turn right, go forward, turn left. Now let's see if it applies to the rest of the puzzle. Go forward, turn right, go forward, turn left, go forward, turn right, and go forward again. So there's definitely a pattern there. And they're telling us that they're going to repeat all of this 3 times. So let's see if it works. Here we go. Forward turn. There we go. Down and over and down. That seemed very easy. So I'm hoping you guys remember from when we did this before. And we'll be able to log on to Tynker now and get down those stair steps.